Hello guys, welcome back to another video on how to crypto. In this video, I will show you how to download crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before moving on, make sure you have subscribed and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, open up Play Store or App Store on your device and there search for crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now in order to download this app, tap on Install button. And once you tap on Install button, downloading will be started. And here your app has been already installing to your device. Now your app has already been downloaded and installed to your device. Now you can just tap on open button at the bottom of your screen to open up DeFi wallet. And there you go, you have opened up your crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now that's how easily and quickly you can download crypto.com DeFi wallet on your device. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.